Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you a brand new Archero mod that works perfectly on both Android and iOS devices. Stick around till the end because you're going to want to see all the cool features this mod has to offer. And if you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more awesome mods and tips. So, let's jump right into it. This mod includes a special menu that you can open by tapping the gear icon in the game. Inside the menu, the main highlight is unlimited gems and, you guessed it, unlimited resources. Plus, there are several other handy options to customize your Archero experience even further. Just a quick note, to make sure everything runs smoothly, make sure you have the latest version of Archero installed on your device. If you want to know exactly where to get this mod and how to set it up, check out the comment section below. I've explained everything clearly there for you. Alright, watch closely as we activate the mod now. You'll see the gems and resources instantly max out, giving you everything you need to dominate the game without waiting or grinding. If you try out this mod, drop a comment and let me know how it worked for you. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And again, please subscribe for more updates and cool content coming your way. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, you can get this Archero mod at ogappbox.com. See you in the next video.